Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fire TV Expert. If you're looking for an easy way to watch live sports and entertainment on your Fire Stick, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to install FCTV33 on your Fire Stick using a fast and working downloader code. FCTV33 is a great app for sports fans, offering access to live sports and entertainment through a simple and easy-to-use interface. Plus, I'll also cover its top features and explain why I won't be opening the app fully due to YouTube policy guidelines. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. From your Fire Stick home screen, move to the left, slide down, and select the search option. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type Downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your remote supports voice commands, you can simply say Downloader and the app will appear. Once Downloader shows up in the search results, scroll down and select it. Now click on the orange Downloader icon and press the Download button using the center button on your remote. Give it a few seconds to install. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After Downloader is installed, we need to allow it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen. Move to the right and select Settings. Move right again and click on My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Click on About, then press your Fire Stick name 7 times until you see a message confirming that Developer Options are enabled. Press the back button, open Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a Fire Stick 4K Max or a newer Fire TV device, the menu layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the Downloader app. Now that everything is set up, let's open Downloader. Go back to the home screen. Move to the right and select Apps. Scroll down and open Downloader. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. This is the Downloader home screen. Click on the search bar by pressing the center button 2 times to bring up the keyboard. Now enter the FCTV33 downloader code exactly as shown, 3656338. After entering the code, click Go. The FCTV33 download page will now load on your Fire Stick. Once the page opens, the app will automatically start downloading. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Install. Give your Fire Stick a few moments while FCTV33 installs completely. After installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up storage space. Select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now, before opening the app, I highly recommend using a VPN. Using a VPN helps protect your privacy, keeps your connection secure, and can help avoid region-related access issues. I personally recommend NordVPN. NordVPN allows you to change your virtual location, protects your streaming activity, and helps prevent tracking or throttling from your internet provider. To install NordVPN on Fire Stick, go back to the search option on your home screen, type NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open NordVPN, sign in, and connect to a secure server before using third-party apps. You can also find the NordVPN link in the description if you want to check it out. Now, let's take a look at FCTV33. Go back to the home screen, move to the right, select Apps, and scroll to the bottom of the list. You'll find FCTV33 there. Now, I won't be opening the app fully in this video due to YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes. However, I can give you an overview of its interface and features. FCTV33 offers a clean and easy-to-use interface with access to live sports and entertainment content. Content is organized into categories, making it easy to find live matches and sports channels. The app is optimized for Fire Stick, and navigation works smoothly with the remote. And that's it. You've successfully installed FCTV33 on your Fire Stick. If this tutorial helped you, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fire TV Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss future FireStick tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.